Welcome back, guys! Get ready to be blown away by these 13 incredible survival gadgets you didn't even know existed. Stay prepared with the best in survival gear for 2023. Number 13. Lifesystems Reusable Hand Warmers. Ideal for diverse environments, from mountain trails to bus stops, this versatile pocket warmer ensures instant heat for up to 45 minutes. The secret lies in its compact design, fitting right in your pocket. The special gel crystallizes when it meets a metal disc, heating up to 54 degrees Celsius in just 10 seconds. The best part? It's reusable. A quick 8-minute boil in water, and it's ready for another round of warmth. Weighing in at 118 grams and measuring 9 by 9 centimeters, you can snag a pair of these warmers for just $5.50. Number 12. Stinger Dart Launcher. Let's dive into the Stinger Mini Launcher. A serious piece of equipment, not a mere toy. Priced at $28, it's capable of astonishing accuracy, reaching up to 6 meters with an impressive total range exceeding 9 meters. Crafted from robust 440C steel, the darts pack a punch. The package includes 6 darts, and the whole setup is lightweight, tipping the scales at just over 100 grams. This mini launcher means business, so handle with care. Number 11. XStat 30. Imagine having a life-saving solution at your fingertips, a way to stop bleeding in 15 to 20 seconds. Originally designed for the US military, this invention is now available to all for $300. How does it work? Cellulose sponges coated with chitosan, a substance from crustacean shells, quickly expand about 10 times their size, stopping bleeding. These sponges also have antibacterial properties. The amount of blood absorbed varies by the syringe model. For the XStat 30, it's about 473 millimeters. This means that even untrained individuals can effectively provide first aid for wounds like hiking accidents. Safety is in your hands. Number 10. MARKSMAN Pocket Hunter Slingshot. Meet the pocket-sized hunting slingshot, a patented and revolutionary design at $40. It may be small, but it's mighty, with a firing speed of 35 meters per second and a 19-kilogram pole weight. Its compact size ensures it's always within reach, setting up quickly for action. Survivalists love it, and recreational shooters find it fantastic, as confirmed by user comments praising its detachable arrow guide. It's a clever, cost-effective tool you won't want to leave home without, ready to deliver the punch you need when it counts. Number 9. Dugdale FHS D2. Let's dive into a remarkable folding knife designed by a renowned US expert. What sets it apart is the pattern-set hinge design, forming a hollow cylinder for a secure, comfortable grip. This knife employs a spring-loaded plate and a bolt-action mechanism, a brainchild of the well-known Walter Collins, famed for his knife-related books and patterns. With an 8.6cm blade and a 20cm overall length, it's a precision-crafted tool with a price tag of approximately $150. If you appreciate quality, this knife is worth every cent. Number 8. HONSHU Sword Cane. This unassuming cane is more than it appears. Concealed within is a formidable 41cm blade crafted from CR13 steel, a material known for surgical instruments. The handle, made of fiberglass reinforced nylon, guarantees a secure grip. With a non-slip rubber tip, it can tackle icy roads and rough sidewalks. At 95 centimeters in total length, it can be adjusted for convenience based on height. Some wish for a more intricate design and have concerns about the grip, but the $100 price tag makes it an affordable self-defense option. Number 7. Survival Torch Fire Starter. According to the sellers, this compact device is the ultimate all-in-one fire starter tool. The patented model includes a ferrocerium rod, a steel striker, wax-infused hemp rope, and an aluminum housing. It can still ignite a fire even after being soaked in the rain all night. With approximately 1,000 uses, this rope can burn continuously for 3 hours. The device comes in 2 sizes, 10 and 15 centimeters, priced at $20 and $25 respectively. Replacement rope can be purchased separately for $10 per 91 centimeters. It's a versatile and reliable fire-starting tool for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 6. Adjustable Walking Cane. Here's an interesting option for those seeking a unique cane with a twist. This cane, priced at $80, offers both style and functionality. Crafted from durable fiberglass reinforced nylon, it's 99 centimeters long and can be adjusted to match your height. The detachable non-slip rubber tip ensures safety on various surfaces. But the standout feature is its handle, which boasts a distinctive design resembling a hybrid between a hook and a crowbar. It's a versatile accessory that combines practicality and aesthetics. Number 5. Spika Strike Gaiter. In 2019, WHO unveiled a new strategy to combat the global issue of snake bites. Private companies have joined the effort, resulting in innovations like these Australian-made snake gaiters. Crafted from robust polyurethane, they stand at 39 centimeters in height, designed to effectively withstand the bites of various Australian snakes, including the deadly tiger snake. Their 4-point fastening system ensures a snug fit, and cleaning is as simple as a wipe with a damp cloth and detergents. Priced at $150, these gaiters offer protection against a silent danger that affects millions worldwide. Number 4. Trench Bottle Opener. Have you ever seen a knuckle duster with a built-in bottle opener? The creators of this unique piece have melded creative design with military history, crafting it to resemble the handle of a World War I trench knife. Fashioned from a single piece of steel with a brass finish, it bears the US 1918 stamp. Measuring 8 by 7 centimeters, it's not only a conversation starter, but also offers a layer of protection in risky situations. The added lanyard hole allows for personalization or using it as a keychain. This unusual piece can be yours for just $18. Number 3. Vargo Titanium Triad Multi-Fuel Stove. 3 things we could watch forever: fire burning, water flowing, and tourist products getting more compact. Take this stove for example. It weighs only 30 grams, lighter than a scoop of ice cream. Its revolutionary design accommodates alcohol fuel when upright and fuel tabs or gels when flipped over. It runs for 12 to 20 minutes, boiling half a liter of water in just 5 to 8 minutes. This incredible stove also folds down to a mere 76 by 30 millimeters and has a design worth displaying on a shelf when not on the road. All this for just $35. Number 2. PARACORD Monkey Fist. Have you ever heard of a monkey fist? It's not a martial arts move, but rather a DIY accessory. All you need is some paracord and a weight like a ball bearing or a stone. Fashion a decorative knot around the weight, and you've got yourself a monkey fist. Its origins vary, with tales suggesting pirates once used it for passing ropes between ships. Today, it serves a practical self-defense purpose. Essentially, it's like a concealed chain mace in miniature. To make your own, you'll need about 5 meters of paracord. But if you prefer convenience, manufacturers sell these online for around $4. Number 1. K10 Hiking Crampons. Hiking is an activity accessible to people of all ages and skill levels, and it continues to attract a wide audience. But what can make hiking even more enjoyable? These crampons might be the answer. They feature a simple 2-buckle attachment and incorporate patented leaf spring flex technology for added comfort. With 10 2-centimeter chromoly steel spikes, they offer reliable grip. These crampons are designed for use on snow and ice and are self-cleaning. However, they're somewhat on the heavy side, with the XL version weighing 700 grams. You can get a pair for a price of $120.